Sylvester Clark in his second 11.
Good grief.
I know. And Proctor. In goes Wokes. Balls outside the off stump.
Who did he have? Marshall, Holding, Hadley.
No, Hadley was in the second.
Oh, second team.
Yeah, second team.
Oh, he's the best line bowler at pace I've ever seen in my life.
But it just shows the quality, doesn't it?
Yeah, if you got one half volley in 8 overs from Richard Hadley, you were lucky. You're like a Christmas present, wasn't it? Come once a year. Oh, Richard Hadley, and he was sharp and all if he wanted to be. He wasn't slow, not quite Mike Lowling, but he was sharp.
In the stiffs.
Oh,
83, in goes Wokes, bowls outside the off stump, and Saladin plays off the back foot into the offside. They call it the stiffs if you're playing. Second team's always called the stiffs.
I don't think it'd be a good idea to call Sylvester and people.
No.
You're in the stiffs.
No,
I don't think you've gone down too well, Jonathan.
Nigel Martin, I've used for the band. It's now available as a podcast. He was a lovely chap. Somebody actually said England football, cricket was his first love, and I did like that. Matthew Long, Battersea, said it's a lovely surprise seeing Nigel Martin got up on TMS on my top 4 sporting icons, along with Tiger Woods.